Niyabona ke manje akufanele nitatazele. IKwaZulu Natal isivumile ithi Floyd Nyiko Shivambu sihole. I-Eastern Cape ithi ushintsho ke njengamanje selizokwenzeka ngempela. I-Western Cape abantu abamnyama abahluphekayo la kuphethe khona i-DA bathi nanso ke manje ibuya ngempela iAfrika. Abantu baseLimpopo bathi inkululeko yabantu abamnyama izozalwa eNingizimu Afrika. INorthwest isivumile ithi njengamanje sizoholwa umholi ozolalela abantu, iqembu labantu abamnyama, iagenda, irevolution yabantu abamnyama. IGauteng yonke abantu baseSoweto, eDiepsloot kuphi nakuphi sebevumile. Bathi Floyd Nyiko Shivambu wakwazi ukushiya izikhundla eParliament, washiya izikhundla eqembini okade kulona wayojoyina iqembu la ufike khona wadlala indima enkulu kakhulu ekusungulweni kweinhlaka zakhona. Ithi konke sekwenzekile, ithi asingabe sisagxeka lutho manje ngoba ima ibuyi iAfrika izile ukuzokhuluma kakhulu kodwa izoqeqesha umqondo kuthathwa izweke njengamanje. Isivumile futhi neMpumalanga. Ithi iMpumalanga iMiddle Black bonke kushona le phezulu. Ithi Floyd ithi siyakwazi ubuholi bakho, awukhulumi kakhulu, uyenza.
Good day everyone and welcome to another epic episode. Welcome to Newsaluchi, an epic political chat. My name is Osabelo Kazuma Omshuluzi Ungamalala, and I welcome you to join me in this political talk. So, Floyd Shivambu kickstart now his campaign of communicating with the people. Basically, there is a voters role on the internet whereby there's a link that is shared whereby you go that portal and you open that portal to vote for what do you think, and responding in the three questions which are asked by Mr. Shivambu. So the questions that are now there is the new political party, be within the parties or do nothing. So people need to vote on this, and Floyd said something very interesting and said that there was some traffic. I just went on his social platform on X and saw that this post here that you see was viewed more than close to 1 million people. I think it was more than 750,000 going upwards, seeming that many people are just gained interest and are participating in what Floyd Nyiko Shivambu is doing. But Floyd, as he has now kickstarted this, he has met some bitter disappointments, right? Because as he was just making people to vote, a lot of people now voted for him to do nothing and not to open another political party. Because you remember that he went on and said that he would want to ask South Africans if ever there's any possibility of having another new political party, because already we have like the dozens of parties, right? So now he wants now to add another one. And South Africans, because you know South Africans are tired of these political parties, especially because they are so keen and very, very in the mission of giving false promises and just lying to the people. So people are just tired of politicians. So people now, a lot of them voted for 47%, in which that was the biggest number, right? Be within the parties was 21 and new political party was 32. Seems like Floyd did not love or like the outcome of this social media voting on the X platform, and he just deleted the post as soon as possible, in which now that raised a lot of concerns. Sizwe Dlomo wrote, but this is feedback from South Africans. What's wrong now? Lol. Floyd was mad to delete the tweet, says Ntokozo Masuku. 47% of the voters came from EFF members. You can never win against a cult in Twitter polls. This is what Floyd has posted. In light of the political development in South Africa, within the three largest political parties being untrustworthy, cult, family-run, and directionless. What is so hidden? What do we do? New political party, number 1. Number 2, be within the parties. Number 3, do nothing. So he accuses the ANC and says that the ANC is untrustworthy. And number 2, the EFF is a cult. Number 3, the MK party, it is a family-run. Then Floyd responds to Sizwe Dlomo and say, "Hey bana, Twitter is South Africans. I think the problem is bigger than I thought. What happens to parties that win election on Twitter?" Now he's coming for the EFF. He always trolls the EFF whenever he gets a chance. We caution, but clearly we have a bigger problem that need other institutions. Sizwe Dlomo responded, "Your problem is you don't know how to execute and you move like you're desperate." At Floyd Shivambu, "Chill bro, Didisa, lie low for like 2 months or something, then come back and say you've consulted, not this thing." And Floyd responded, "I humbly think you have an over-exaggerated view of yourself, brother. I don't know you, have never spoken to you, but you seems like you feel entitled to how I do politics. I don't know you, what do you do? I humbly advise that you focus there, please." And Sizwe Dlomo responded and said, "That is exactly what I have thought," after he has been blocked by Nico to say that "You don't talk to me like that, I will block you." So Floyd is not in the business of just playing around. Then he gave this tweet again: "Apologies to ground forces and the people of South Africa for the volunteers link which reached the limit in less than an hour." So there's traffic there. The new limitless link for volunteers is here, forms and everything Mayibuye Africa. So there were forms that were given that you need to fill, that there has some different information that you need to provide them and you answer, right? So this is how they collect now their database, right? So the first now form that you will find there is the occupation, that will ask you that whether I'm employed, I'm unemployed, I'm student, retired, self-employed, and other, right? And the second one is the one that will ask you about your age group from 18 to 65 plus going up. Then another one is about your gender. Then you give your full names and you give the province that you are at, from Eastern Cape going down to Western Cape, Gauteng, KZN, Free State, Mpumalanga, Northwest, Northern Cape. Then you give all that information. Then you do now signify there at the end whether you will want to be a volunteer for Mayibuye consultation, Mayibuye. Then you give now your full details. Also you give your information, the database, then you vote at the end. So in this, what you see here is just different provinces which are having some numbers in terms of how people have voted from each and every province across South Africa. So yeah, so the social media is busy and people are responding to Floyd Shivambu, but not everyone is happy about this bid, as Stimela has posted this questioning Floyd Nico Shivambu. "This is a wrong move, brother, and I may be at least not the right time to start a party. You should have stayed in the MKP and be a servant of the people inside the party. People are not fools. They would have one day noticed Uguchi, you are on the right. But this is not right. No matter what people say now, because they sympathize with you, but they will be with you for a very long time." Right? So I want us to talk about now the linked audio that says that there are some leaders in the MK party who are betraying the party. Let us listen here.
Comrade, ngifuna ukunitshela ukuthi uReggie Ngcobo beno-DSD ulonkosikazi lo Mamkhize lo Bovu bafika empofana sisebenza kunzima kwakusebenza kunzima sengisesaba ngisho kuhamba emgaqweni estradini ebusuku ngishitshela mina ukuthi sisaba amakhomrade omkhonto wesizwe uzobe ukhethe empofana bahamba bayosicampaigna macomrade nge-special vote. Uma Mkhize wahamba wafika lapha empofane engashilo, wangena empofane ehamba ngemoto, wabiza amacomrade ase-Ward 4 wenza umhlangano ehholo, sibhizi le-special vote, benza umhlangano, kwaphoqa ukuthi siyolanda abantu baselokishini ngaphakathi, kuyogadwa laphaya. Macomrade, yabona le nto ingifikisela ulaka. Saya ngaphelezela u-coordinator, saya sa-driver, safika kuMkhize, wambuza ukuthi ufunani la, wenzani la, wathi uphethe national, wathi ngiyakuzwa lokho, wathi mina ngiyabaza abantu enginikwe bona okuthiwa beza la badeployiwe, sebefikile kumina ba-reporta, wena ufunani la ngoba ngikaze ngizwe ukuthi udeployiwe. Ngicela njengamanje ungihambele, uthethe la macomrade ahamba ayosebenza. Benze i-meeting, sine-special vote macomrade. Comrade, asingadlalwa ngathi, futhi akungadlalwa la, asidlali la macomrade. Waqeda uMkhize waqhubeka ngenkani, benza lawo ma-meeting abo, saze sabuya ebusuku, sabuya late, sizama siphusha, fanele siyobheka kwa-Midress koHlanzeni, siyobheka ukuthi ngabe kuhamba ngendlela yini. Sabuya lapho usuku lokuvota amacomrade. Amacomrade eMoses Mabhida region ekhishiwe amacomrade ey'ngane zabantu zizohlala la eMoyempofane. Sazama no-coordinator ukuthi senze umsebenzi, sawenza umsebenzi weqembu, sehla senyuka. Kwanabantu amacomrade abasithukayo, mina ngathuka amacomrade ukuthi mina ngoba.
So Mayibuye African Congress is at work. It is alleged that Nombuso Mkhize, the Deputy Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe, is linked to the political party. Rumor have it, I must say, and not only her, Fiso Masego also, and the provinces where Floyd was working, and all people appointed by Floyd are part of Mayibuye, with the name being suggested by Reggie Ngobo and Simpiwe Mbongoza from KZN. So the regions around there, and all peoples appointed by Floyd and others who were removed from regional leadership and are disgruntled. So there's this notion to believe that there are some leaders from the MK party who are working with Floyd even to date, because we know how Nombuso Mkhize were close with Floyd, Nico, Shivambu. But this rumor is not proven by far, as if you've heard in that audio clip that MK party members accusing Nombuso of sabotaging the MK party meetings. I'm sure there was some misunderstanding there and made some comrades to be uneasy about some situations. But the comrades have come out and pointing fingers now to these snitches, sellouts that might be there in the MK party. So now I wonder why I heard Jacob Zuma saying that they'll be going in all the provinces to do just the damage control, because they believe that now Floyd has just set up the things for himself and appointed his own people for his own benefit. So this thing goes way deeper than what we think, right, in terms of the accusations that the MK party has for Floyd, Nico, Shivambu. So everything that Floyd touched will just become the enemy, including the constitution that the MK party is already using. It will just become the enemy, because they will also judge now the constitution to say that it is a setup. It is a weapon now that will be used against Floyd, to say that everything that he gave was for his benefit. What is happening there? It is just controversy after controversy and controversy after controversy. Please don't forget, you can subscribe to this channel and leave a comment on the section below. Until we meet on the next video, and I'm out.